In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to convert HEIF photos to JPEG format. Let's get started. First, what you will need to do is launch your settings and navigate to the option camera. Now head over to the option formats, click on it. Here you're going to find this option of camera capture. Under that, you're going to find the option HEIF essential and most compatible. Check in for the option most compatible. Now all your photos will be saved as JPEG instead of HEIF. Now what about photos you have already taken in HEIF? Open the Photos app and select the images you want to convert. Tap the share icon, then choose Copy Photos. Next, open Files app, create a new folder, then long press in an empty area, tap Paste. The photos will be converted to the JPEG format. Now you can click on Share option and save the image to your Photos app. And that's it. This is how you can easily convert HEIF to JPG on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.